Started off as a plumber and now doing property work and developing little projects, like fast food precincts and that type of thing. One of the big criteria was when you look at these glass doors here, they're about 6 metres. So I needed something that was going to retract so I didn't see them at the end, but something that would go that sort of distance. And, went down and saw Freedom and had a look what they had available, and that's how it evolved. They were fantastic. Well, the time at home in this particular house is the view that we have here and the ability to try and keep any mosquitoes, whatever, out. Because you open up a 6 metre space and we're on the water, you can get midges and all those types of things. And really, we don't have the problem. We open the place up, pull the screens, and that's it. You just don't have the problem. They're in a position where we want them to be hidden when they're retracted. So anywhere that we wanted uninterrupted vision is where we put Freedom screens. What I like about the screens is that they disappear into a channel and that they work, and they work properly. You can stop them anywhere you want on the track, and they just work. They just work properly. And that's the big thing. I would have absolutely no hesitation, and I have recommended them to lots of people. No, I don't recommend things unless they work. And I have experience in these screens and I have absolutely no problem recommending them to anybody.